Alright, so in this session we are going to look into OSPF Virtual Link configuration. We already seen about what is virtual link and how to configure virtual link in two ways. This is another one sort of issues in terms of virtual link which we are going to configure and see how does it works and or how we need to configure. This is what we are going to look into now. This is the topology that I am going to explain: R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. And you can able to see there are four different areas: area 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let's have a new clip of it. Okay, so this is the areas: area 0, 1, 2 and 3, and you can able to see the area 0 is being connected to area 1, but area 2 and area 3 are not connected to area 0. Now what we are going to do is we need to form a virtual link between area 0 and area 2 by using the transit area, that is area 1. Okay, so this is what we are going to do, and then to form a second virtual link for area 3 we need to proceed further. First we complete us of this and then we proceed further accordingly. Okay, so we haven't configured any sort of routing protocols, so now I'm going to configure the routing protocols over here. Okay, so as per the topology I'm configuring. Okay, OSPF neighbor. All right, will okay, so this is the issue here. Alright, so now the configuration has been completed in terms of OSPF. Now we need to check it from R3 end. In R3 perspective we can able to reach 1.1.1.1, that's a loopback IP of R1. Okay, but if you look into R4 you could not able to see any sort of information for R2 and R1. The reason is they are not connected via backbone router. So now I'm going to form a virtual link between R2 and R3 for the area 2. So I need to form virtual link between area 2 and area 0 with the help of area 1. I need to configure it on the area 1 border routers, that is R2 and R3 here. So now I'm going to configure a virtual link. So let's proceed. Right now the configuration is done for virtual link. Let's verify whether the virtual link is get up or not. Yeah, it's up. Show IP OSPF virtual link. It's up for 2.2.2.2. Okay, so let's check whether we can able to see the routing table in R4. We can able to see the 1.1.1.1. Let's try to ping the response. Yeah, now it's good. The next thing what we are going to form is to form a virtual link for area 3. Now the area 3 needs to communicate with area 0. So we can do this by since there are between two areas, area 2 and area 1. We already know about area 2 is being connected to area 0. So we are going to form a virtual link with the help of area 2. So what we are going to do is we need to form area 3 in order to reach area 0, forming a virtual link with the help of area 2. Now from our perspective, area 2 is a transit area. So the virtual link needs to be created between R3 and R4 in order to make area 3 to reach area 0. So I'm going to configure virtual link for R3 and R4. Okay. Now you can see about the virtual link is up and you can able to reach the networks. Let's check it from R5 end. Show IP route ping 1.1.1.1. Yeah, now it's reachable. This makes that the area 3 can able to reach a area 0 with the help of two virtual links. So this is the thing that I will need to show you. That's it about virtual link configuration. If you haven't looked about previous two virtual link configuration part, I will give the link in the description. You can check to that. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.